If you are an Indian residing outside the country, say in the Middle East, and you want to help your clients invest in India's booming economy, you are in the right place, because in today's video, we are talking about how you can become a mutual fund distributor for Indian mutual funds while living outside India. Specifically, how to get registered with the Association of Mutual Funds in India, or AMFI, and what the process entails. So let's dive in. First things first, what exactly do you need to get started? The answer lies in something called an OD-ARN, or Overseas Distributor AMFI Registration Number. OD-ARN is essentially the registration you will need to distribute Indian mutual funds to non-resident Indians, or NRIs, outside of India. With this registration, you can offer your NRI clients a piece of India's growth story, giving them access to some of the most promising investment opportunities. All the rupee mutual funds which are available in India are available to invest into by an NRI through their NRE or NRO accounts. The investor needs to ensure that they have their status at CVL as NRI to invest in mutual funds. A certain set of documentation needs to be submitted to have the status changed to NRI. But a quick heads up, this registration allows you to serve NRIs and foreign nationals only. You won't be able to onboard residents of India as clients. To be clear, an NRI is someone who has lived outside India for over 182 days in the past year. A foreign national with Indian ancestry and foreign passport can be a person of Indian origin, PIO, or Overseas Citizen of India, OCI, if they register. But they are not an NRI, since an NRI is specifically an Indian citizen living abroad. So how do you become an official mutual fund distributor outside India? Here are the key steps. You need to register as an overseas distributor with AMFI. This involves completing KYC, showing proof of foreign residency, and getting a registration number to distribute Indian mutual funds to NRIs. Once they get an ARN, they can reach out to AMCs for empanelment. And after getting empanelment, they can sell mutual fund units from that AMC to investors outside India. A special ARN starting with OD will be given to these distributors. And to get started, reach out to Wealthy, which helps you tap into these growing opportunities. With the help of our platform, you can verify your clients quickly and easily. And once your clients are KYC compliant, they're good to go with no extra paperwork needed. It's seamless.